I work hard so my cat's gonna have a nice life. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel and another episode of the Onesie One Take, the weekly series where I come home, put on a onesie, sit in front of my camera, and answer your questions. If this is the first time seeing my face, I promise I am not a creepy cat lady 80% of the time, but make sure it's not the last time seeing my face by clicking that little red subscription button and the bell to be updated for each and every future video. This series is brought to you by my new and improved mailing list. Stay up to date with everything VIP Kid related and collect my monthly freebies. Information on how to sign up is down below in the description box. And of course, I have the complete list of things I use in my brick and mortar classroom as well as my VIP Kid classroom listed down below. Everything that I use to make life easier and love to use on a daily basis is down below with links. None of them are sponsored. They are just honestly used and loved each and every day. All right, let's talk about money. If you're new to this whole VIP Kid thing, you're probably searching other YouTube videos, forums, Reddit, Instagram, Facebook, and you're probably seeing a lot of people posting these large monthly paychecks that they're making. Now, a lot of prospective people that write to me usually ask things like, is this an MLM? Is this money real? Is this a hoax? Is this a scam? I can tell you now, I'm on contract number 5. It is not an MLM. It is not a hoax. It is actually real. You do have to pay taxes on it. That's how real it is. And typically after I explain that it's not an MLM and not a hoax and real, more times than not, the questions are, well, how much can I make? I can work this many hours, how much can I make? And it's a little difficult to explain your base pay, the different kinds of incentives, and the bonuses. So I thought I would share the screen with you and break it down scenario by scenario, the VIP Kid pay scale, and exactly how it works. So without any further ado, I'm gonna share my screen with you and let's talk VIP Kid money. All right, welcome to my screen, VIP Kid pay scale, short and sweet. A teacher's base pay is $7 to $9, somewhere in between that range, and that is per 25-minute class. Now remember, 25-minute class, not per hour. So for today's breakdown, we're gonna use the example pay of $8 per class. Again, not per hour, just per 25-minute class. If a teacher has a base pay of $8, they will automatically get what's called an incentive bonus. The incentive bonus is $1, and this bonus is for showing up to class on time, having all the needed materials like a working computer or laptop, Wi-Fi, headphones, whatever it is. If your class goes well and finishes correctly and on time, you will get your incentive bonus. So your base pay now has the addition of the $1 incentive bonus. So if we break it down into our little pay scale, base pay $8, incentive bonus $1, you will get $9 per 25-minute class. In the words of all infomercials, but wait, there's more. All right, so you've got your base pay and your first incentive bonus. Now you get something called a finished classes bonus. You will receive an extra $1 for teaching 45 classes or essentially work 22.5 hours that month. And let me tell you, 45 classes is not difficult. If somebody taught 1 hour a day for the whole month, just 1 hour, you would go well over this. So just remember, teach 45 classes in that month and you will get an extra $1 per class. Finished classes bonus. So let's update our scale. Base pay of $8, our incentive bonus of showing up, our finished class incentive of teaching over 45 classes in the month, our base plus our bonuses now equal us $10 per class or $20 an hour. Now, here's where it gets super fun. You have these base pays plus those two $1 bonuses, but now you have something called a short notice class. This typically comes later in a VIP Kid teacher's career, but it is the option of opening up a class and making it available with less than 24 hours notice. So in the VIP Kid handbook, it states, teach a class with less than 24 hours notice and receive an additional $2 per class. Now, more info on short notice classes in the teacher's portal tour, which is an extra video I made. I'll put the information up above in the cards. So if we update this, you have your base pay of $8, those two $1 bonuses we talked about, plus that $2 short notice booking bonus. That $2 is not always guaranteed, but if a student does book with you, and again, this is usually for teachers that can open up any slot and have it booked, so usually a teacher in the second or third contracts, some in their first, some get very lucky, they can just book anyone. Your base plus your bonuses now equal you $12 per class or $24 per hour. Again, let me preface this. This is $24 an hour to work from home without having to commute, without having to even put on pants. Now going back to our original pay scale, that example we just did was for the $8 pay scale. If you got a $7 or a $7.50, it'll be a little bit more, and if you get to the $9 or $9.50, it could be a little bit higher. And there are ways to get raises. That video up above in the cards as well. You can get raises that do raise your base pay. They're not the easiest to get at this point in time, but they are possible. If you want more information, you can click up above. The most at this point in time a teacher can make as a base pay is $10 per class. All right, that really creepy stick figure with hearts as hands, that's me. This is my VIPKid scale. Teacher Kristen, I am currently in contract 5. My current base pay is $8.50 per class. I do always get my $2 incentive bonuses for showing up and teaching the 45 in a month. And right now, as I've been here for 2+ years, I open up primarily short notice bookings. So my current pay scale is $12.50 per class or $25 an hour. And if you didn't already know, I'm a brick and mortar teacher. So during the school year, I try to keep it right at 45 classes for the month. But in the summertime, that's when I really rev it up and I try to teach as much as possible, because teachers, more often than not, at least nowadays, have to take their 9-month salary and spread it out over 12 months. So even though I'm making a little bit of money in the summer through my salary, I do try to rev up and save as much as I can. A current breakdown from last summer. I put my base pay information on the right, but it is essentially $25 an hour. I do teach 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Monday to Friday with additional weekends. That's only if I choose, or if the husband's out on business or something. I might work an occasional weekend, but not very often. But either way, my monthly paychecks are $2,000 to $2,500 a month. And again, teachers, that is part-time. If you are a teacher and you are very interested in finding other ways of having extra part-time income in the summers or even during the school year, please let me know down below. My email is down there. I can help you with any questions. It is a big passion of mine to just help get teachers the information, whether or not it's for them, just having them be informed. This is honest to goodness the numbers I bring in during the summer. And again, I am done teaching by 10 a.m. So if you have kids that want to go to the pool, go outside, I assume parents hang out with their kids. I have cats, so I don't really know. You are done by 10 a.m. You have the entire day to go do whatever you like, and you essentially already made $100 a day. Again, 25 an hour, and 6 to 10 is 4 hours a day, 100 a day, 500 a week, add additional weekends, and sometimes you get other incentive bonuses. These are just the ones that are constant each and every month. And one last thing, I do not say any of this to brag. This is all just information I'm sharing to you. I have brought in teachers, I have referred teachers into this program who have less teaching experience than me that start at the $9 per class base pay because they had an awesome, wonderful demo experience. If you want to know more information on how to give a great demo in the application process, I will put that link up above in the cards. And there you have it. There is the VIPKid pay scale broken down for each and every scenario. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you like these kind of VIPKid money budget scale kind of videos, let me know by giving it a huge thumbs up. And if you've not already done so, click that subscribe button and the bell to be updated for each and every future video. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, or requests for future videos around here, let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you guys so much, as always, for watching this video, and I will see you in next week's episode. Bye, guys. If you are seriously looking for additional income to help you and your family, I highly recommend checking out VIPKid. If you have any other questions or concerns, please let me know. Once again, my email and referral information are down below. If you have any other questions or want help in the hiring process, feel free to reach out. I'd love to help out each and every one of you. And of course, I will see you in next week's video. Take care.